Today is 1st of November 2022. Hello there. Today I try to share some information with you how to maintain a bicycle. Firstly, you need to check the tire pressure regularly every week. Check the tire pressure. If your bicycle use the French valve, you can use an adapter like this. Change to the normal. And then secondly, you should put some oil to the chain, to the ball bearing with this. Oil your bearing. And like this, I'll show you one time. Inch it to the inside of the bearing. Or sometimes you have to use the white grease to the chain or to the old-fashioned bearing. And also you need to check your wheel regularly. There are safe line on both side wheels, so you can see this safe line here, a mark there. So I show you the warm one. That one already worn. We can't see the safe line anymore. That means too thin now. Maybe it's get weaker, so structure get weaker means you have to change your new wheel and then make it safe. And also you have to double check your bicycle brake pad. You can see this is a wear line here, so it's very important. If the brake pad up to here too thin, you have to replacing a brand new brake pad. You should pump your bicycle tire monthly. Firstly, check your tires information here. That's a mountain tire, so between 40 to 50 psi pound each square. If city bike, 60 to 65. So this is city bike. If road bike or racing bike, should up to 85 psi. Between 85 to 115 psi. And better use a pump with a gauge. I strong recommend you use a gauge pump and quality pump. If your pump without a small French valve, and then you can use a adapter. Sometimes maybe make the valve a little bit leaking. So when you put some water to here, and then you can see the air bubble. So you should use the little spanner put inside the turn clock direction, make it secure, make it stable. That's a very important things. Yeah. Thank you for watching. In Cambridge, many local Westerns ride a bike to work, to go back to school. Always ride a bike. Riverside 剑河的秋色，劍河嘅秋色啊！秋天，你陪我缓缓缓上在枫林间，两心相惜。两情缠绵，正阳寒冬秋天，
联动也是春